One, two.
Let's have the rest of the cast explain ko ano yung role nila dun sa movie. Ba't mo sinampal Jasmine si Kong? Mari siya, no?
Kasi ano, I play Sister Barbie.
Or,
Sister Barbara, pero nagkaroon siya ng nickname na Sister Barbie because of Tom's character, si Father Jaggy. So there's a tension between the both of them kasi they have different beliefs in what's currently happening dun sa story. And medyo nahihirapan si Sister Barbie to understand yung perspective ni Father Jaggy. So there's conflict in that sense, but may parts din kasi na parang dahil nga sa kakaiba yung pagka-portray ng pare ni Tom dito, iba yung middle character, may part din na mababastos din yung si Sister Barbie because she tries to be the regular nun who's, you know, very conservative and how she moves and how she speaks. So, dun yung conflict nila as characters. I also play as a nun, the teacher of Miles's role. Agnes, 1 year na. Galing kasi we really took our time to make sure that everything was well developed and produced for you guys before today. So it's been quite a long journey since we shot this, and we've done such an excellent job. The team has done such an excellent job with everything. So apologies if may mga blurs lang din sa memory ko. But yeah, I play her teacher at the same time, and I'm trying to protect her. And with that, Miles.
No, I would just like to say that congratulations for your very well reviewed, very positive feedback for Sahaya.
Thank you guys.
Lahat ng binasa ko talagang glowing. You really disappeared in the role daw.
Salamat po. That's the goal whenever I play a role. So I'm glad.
And aside from this, I learned that you're doing another horror movie, di ba?
I think so.
Oh, so...
yata. Yes po. Yun na lang. I'll confirm later. I'll confirm later. Matagal ko kasi ako nag-break for mom, so medyo, I'm trying to groove back by into work mode ulit. But I think
with
so.
With Liza,
Huh? No, yes, we shot that na. Yes, we finished filming.
Meron mo isa pa?
Yes, horror din, parang psychological horror. Doon yan, bang kayo ko sa scares to.
Midnight.
Yes po, tama. It's called Midnight.
Tatlong horror pala ginagawa mo.
Pang-horror yung Thank you po.
Yung compliments na nakakarating sa yung galing mo sa pag-arte, sa Sahaya. And even though we talked to Glyza last night, believe sa sa'yo na nadadala siya. Ganon. And your sister, sobrang proud siya sa'yo. Na pinost na niya. So, anong nag-usap kayo ng ate mo ni tungkol ng pagkatapos na pinost na nag-ano pa siya sa GMA na
Pinabas na ako sa
wala naman talaga, hindi naman talaga bola, walang ekle. Pero yun nga, napapakita na ilalabas mo yun sa mga lahat na ginagawa mo.
Thank you. Well...
Sabi mo, in-expect ko naman yun.
Well, I mean, every time naman you put out work, you're hoping and sana expecting also. Hindi ko naman itatago yun, syempre, as much, I think naman all of us, when we work on a set, pag pinagpupuyatan mo yan, kapag pinaghihirapan mo naman lahat ng eksena mo, lahat ng preparation mo, you're hoping and sana, praying, expecting, sana mapansin din yung ginagawa ko, sana makita nila that took effort and that I put myself in that. Kasi hindi naman na ito ano lang for show lang na ganda-ganda ka lang, 'di ba? You know, you want to make sure na what is entrusted to you as an actor, you fulfill it and hopefully surpass expectations of not just your audience, but of course the people that keep employing you, that keep getting you to be part of their productions, their shows, their events, etc. for anything. So I've always been a firm believer that you should always give your 100%. Kahit pa na maliit yung role or konti lang yung lines or wala kang lines sa eksena, kahit support ka lang, you always make sure that you're in character or you're there for your scene partners. Kasi they can't also perform their job if hindi mo sila bibigyan ng stimulus for them to also take from. So it's about give and take. You know, they're giving me a job, I also have to give that expectation of what they want. And at the same time, yung mga co-actors mo, di porke employed kayo separately as individual actors, di mo na papansinin na they need you also sa scene. Kailangan bigay mo rin yun. So I think it's about being well-rounded na you're not just needed to act, but to be mindful of anong need ng lapel guy sa'yo, anong need ng lighting director sa'yo, anong need ng cameraman sa'yo, para lahat ng may kailangan ma-address mo or mabigyan mo ng pansin or attention.
Anong reaction ng GMA nung nanawagan ng ate mo na sanay sa bigyan na?
Hindi ko pa alam. Pero kinilig ako kay ate.
Meron plano ng GMA sa
we haven't met yet since I just arrived a few days ago from Australia and then I had to fly out again to Malaysia and I just got back last night. But I think naman we'll be meeting again soon. Hopefully, there might be something. I don't wanna assume, you know, wala pa tayong alam. But if there is, thank you.
Alright.
Ay, pinuri ka uli ng ate mo dun sa Sahaya. So,
aside from your ate, ang daming pumuri sa'yo.
I'm so thankful. I really am. Nakakataba ng heart kasi syempre iba rin naman na parang nag-flood agad yung comment section ng ano ko, diba? Ng Instagram ko rin. And it was just, I guess, overwhelming kasi, you know, you're just doing your job, you're just giving 100% naman, and film namin kasi siya over a month and a half almost, yung 1 week na yon. So, to see that people were able to notice and talagang nadama nila, thankful ako kasi ako din, damang-dama ko din lahat ng iyak ko doon and I really put in my 100%. I really believed in the project and I made sure that people will also believe in the project through sa acting ko sana. Para sa 1 week, mahook na natin agad yung viewers and we can give them what they need.
After that daw, dapat solo na talaga. I mean, ikaw na yung lead talaga.
Well, if it comes, right? Why not? But, kanya-kanyang timing.
Sino gusto mong partner?
naman.
Ikaw yung...
Si Alden nga, di ba?
Sino ba?
Diba?
Well, I mean, if siya, kung sino ibigay ni GMA, kung sino isipin nilang pinaka-effective. I never really choose talaga, to be honest.
Ikaw magka-casting.
Hindi naman ako casting director. Huwag naman natin agawin ng work, di ba? Ano, it depends. Who they think may chemistry, may flavor, when you're on screen together, syempre mag-screen test pa yan and everything. But,
Jazz,
madami naman sila dyan.
Sabi na mas magaling kang actress sa ate ano. How do you feel? Tanggap niya ba yun? Tanggap niya ba?
Actually, never naman namin napag-usapan kasi sobrang iba ng gusto namin from both our careers. You know, she wants to be able to make people happy, entertain people, you know. Yun yung, diba? Yun yung form of entertainment niya. Gusto niya.
Something na hindi mo magagawa.
Oo, I think, hindi ako pang singer, hindi ako pang concert, hindi ako pang araneta.
Pero pag sinabing actress, mas ikaw
daw.
I'm thankful. You know, I'm thankful. Well, iba kami ng pakay. Iba kami ng
pag-usapan niya ni Ana. Girl!
Wala. Ano kami, kumbaga, ang galing mo dito sa project nito, iba ka. Parang more of ganon.
So, hindi niya nasabi, girl mas stress ka kaysa sa akin. Wala mga ganon.
Wala naman. Pinupuri niya lang talaga ako, or ako din.
Love na love ka naman niya. Talaga, baby girl.
Gusto niya siya eh. Gusto niya, inaangat niya lang din ako talaga.
Ganun mga ate.
Yeah, protective pa. So,
i-criticize ba yung mga gawa niyo? Like, dapat ganun yung ginawa mo sa movie. Ganun. Advice?
Not so much sa movie, more of sa suot, sa fashion. Mas ganun si ate sa akin. Or sa picture, paano mag-edit, paano mag-pose. Mas nandun kami yung dalawa. Siguro kasi sobrang no-touch kami sa... Oo, nasa Instagram ng aming editing namin sa isang girl. Yung shoes mo dyan, medyo di bagay. Yung mga ganon. Or hindi maganda post mo dyan, ito na lang post mo. Ganyan. Yes. Pero in terms of like what we do for work, siguro kapag meron lang siyang wow, ginawa mo yan. More of ganon. Or, uy, willing ka. More of,
Kaya mo palang gawin ito.
Correct. Not so much na sana ganito yung attack mo. Wala kaming ganon. Hindi kami critical with each other's work. Yeah.